Guys, just in time for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful turkey breast roast on the Ninja Foodi XL grill. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all we're doing here. And don't forget to join. Hit that join membership button down below. Join CJ's crew for real on YouTube. Help out the channel. Get all the perks that go along with it. All right. So that all being said, today we're gonna get on the Ninja Foodi Grill station, and I'm gonna show you how to roast up a beautiful turkey breast roast. Now I know that sounds a lot there, but this roast comes from Butterball Turkey, and what they do is they basically fillet off the breast up one side of the breastbone, down the other side of the breastbone, roll it all up, put it in this netting. This one actually had a little bit of a marinade kind of solution in there, like a herb marinade, but you know me, I'm gonna add the real flavor to it. So I went and got me some of this. I got the Chacheres. You gotta have this stuff when you're doing Thanksgiving. All right, I'll put a link down below for it. Guys, this is awesome. All you do is you take out this roast from the packaging, dry it off with a paper towel, and then I'm gonna bring it over to the station over here, and we're just gonna start injecting it with the Chacheres Creole butter. All right, we're gonna add tons of good flavor to it. We're gonna inject it pretty much all over. There's no good or bad side to this roast, so I don't mind, putting the needle in and kind of plunging it around, plunging the plunger in and pulling out as you go, so you get even disbursement of the liquid. There's gonna be plenty that comes out, so you wanna do your best to put plenty into it, okay? And then the next thing I did is we got some Uncle Steve Shake, the competition bird powder. It's a new rub that he got for us, so I wanted to try it on this turkey. Just tasting it like in my palm, it's very tasty. I can't wait to get it on the bird. So that's it, guys. Let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station. We're gonna fire up that Ninja Foodi XL grill. We're just gonna use the bottom pan that comes with it. We're not using any kind of racks or grill, anything like that. Just gonna put it on the bottom pan. We're gonna use the roast feature.
Just gonna throw your meat straight in there?
Just gonna throw my meat straight in there. I love filming when Mrs. CJ's in the room. All right, so I already have the temperature probe in there. We're gonna roast this at 325, okay? We are going to take it to 170 and then pull it out and let it rest, and then we'll be good to eat. All right, guys, stick around in the end. You know you're gonna love this one. Hit that thumbs up while you're watching. Come on back. It's looking pretty good. Move Uncle Steve out of the way there. Get the Foodi Grill on. We're gonna do roast. Like I said, 325. We're gonna do our preset for the thermometer. What you have for poultry is chicken. So we're just gonna use the preset chicken, hit start. It's gonna do the warm up. It's gonna keep track of the temperature until it gets to 170 and tell you to pull out the roast. All right, come on back. Okay, guys, we're gonna get our roast in here. I'm gonna move the tray a little closer to it so it doesn't drip everywhere. All right. There's a bit of skin on here, so we're gonna put that towards the top. But other than that, it's looking really good. There's plenty of flavor going on in this bad boy. Shut it down. We're taking it to 170. I mean, that's it. Nothing too much more exciting to it. Okay, guys, we're looking good. It's temping out at 103 right now, so we have a little bit of time. It's about a half hour in, but we have some great color developing on there. Next time you come back, we'll have this out at, I have the target temp set for 170, but I'm going to actually pull it about 160, 165 and let it rest on the cutting board just because I don't want it to get overdone. I want to keep it nice and juicy. So this is just a guide temperature. You could pull it a little bit earlier than that. All right. Okay, guys, we are at 160. We're going to let this rest. We're going to pull it out on the cutting board. Let's get the knife out of the way. Okay, while this is resting on the cutting board, we will cut that mesh thing off, get some sharp scissors and go to town on it. Guys, the smell's going on in here. Smelling too good. All right, come on back. We'll cut into this after it's rested for about 5 minutes. All right, guys, we're done. Showed me slicing it up, pouring that good gravy over the top of it. Had to throw the greens under it to make it pop and, you know, look good for that thumbnail that you clicked on. But guys, let me tell you, the smells in the house right now with all that good turkey goodness going on right now, it's good stuff. All right, let's try this bad boy. All right, make sure we get a little of that gravy on there. You know this bird was juicy. I showed you the knife after I got it done cutting it. Just juices everywhere. All right, that's good stuff. Wow, you guys, you know that's good. Listen, that Tony Chacheres never lets me down. Uncle Steve's never lets me down. Guys, this was an amazing, amazing turkey breast. You could tell it was in two pieces when, you know, I took the netting off. So when I was cutting, slicing it up, kind of broke apart. It's all good though. Very, very damn tasty. Make sure you try this one. There was plenty of room for this. We probably could have put 2 of these bad boys in there. So if your family's a big kind of white meat turkey eater, it's a good way to go with that butterball turkey roast. I found it at my local grocery store. It's Vaughn's. I'll take a look and see if Amazon has a link that I could put down below, but I'm fairly certain you can just get it at your grocery store. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you want to get yourself one of these awesome Doll Strong knives or the cutting board we use or the Ninja Foodi Grill, all that stuff's down below. Don't forget to hit that join button, become part of CJ's crew for real right here on YouTube. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, a wonderful Thanksgiving. And again, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.